Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making a super simple chocolate cake. So let's get started. Our first step to this simple chocolate cake is adding 2/3 of unsalted butter to our blender. One teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 cup of white sugar. Now we're going to blend that all together until it is soft and creamy. Our next step to this chocolate cake is adding 2 eggs to our butter mixture. And now I'm going to blend that all together. I now have my cake batter poured into a greased pan. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm now going to pop it in the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. My cake has now come out of the oven, and it's time for the official taste test. Let's see how it tastes. Delicious! Thanks for watching this video, and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this.